In each of our new restrooms and our feature conference room, a customized integrated sink system is the star of the show. These ultra-hygienic systems streamline the hand-washing process, placing a high-efficiency soap dispenser, faucet, and hand dryer together for a touch-free user experience at a single station. This allows users to quickly wash and dry their hands without spreading water across the restroom floor or on the sink tops. The dryer is equipped with an electrostatic HEPA filter, which removes 99.999% of viruses from the airstream and offers improved airflow over traditional HEPA filtration. This game-changing innovation embodies an approach that's both human-centric and sustainably sound.